दाबोळे IFBचो नवो शोरूम आयला. ह्या शोरूमात प्रॉडक्ट बाकीचे परस सवाय रेटीन मेळटात. पळोवया दाबोळेचो नवो IFBचो शोरूम.
दाबोलीन आसलेले पयले फावटी येयला. आमगे IB पॉयंट गोंयान आहा ते कारांतली फोंडा आनी वास्को एक आसलेले. आतां आमी मडगांव आहा ते आतां दाबोली आमी एअरपोर्टा कडेन पयले फावटी न्यू येयला. हिंगा आमचे कडेन सगळे टायपीचे आमकां मेळटा. ओवन जावं, वॉशींग मशीन जावं, AC जावं आनी आमचे सगळे प्रॉडक्ट आमी एक बरें स्कीम दिलेलो आहा. तुमी लोक हे आनी पळय आनी कितें स्कीम आहा ते आमी बरे बरे स्कीम दिता आनी डिस्कावंटूय बरें दिता आमी.
आता पळोवया गोंयच्यो कांय कमर्शियल खबरो.
मडगांवां गृहशोभा एक्झिबिशन चालू जाला. 4 ते 13 मे मेरेन चलपाचें. घरान लागपी ल्हान ते व्हड उपयोगाच्यो वस्तू ह्या एक्झिबिशनान आसात. मडगांवां संतोष जोझफान नवीन कपड्याचें दुकान उक्तें केलां. SJ सूट्स. देशभर खेतांची असलीच 38 दुकानां आसात.
We have a showroom here. Name is SJ Suits. We have especially for Minumart. We are introducing Minumart all over India. 30th showroom. This is the 39th showroom franchisee outlet. We having 3 outlet in Goa. See, this is the third one. We are introducing Minumart as ladies underwear items. See, you can call 1 gram silver and ladies bags and cosmetics and everything. So especially we have suit. Goan customers, they have a taste of wearing suits. See, it's like every occasion they wear the suit. So we have suits here in the town because this Margaon city is coming up to as a suit city. We into future life. We have to go ahead. See, this is our first showroom. We wanted to grow more. In every corner we need to have, and I'm planning to expand in abroad level also.
Bureau report Prudent.
आता पळोवया गोंयच्या कांय सरभोंवतणच्यो खबरो.
पर्रा पंचायतीन सोलर कुकिंग स्पर्धा दवरिल्ली. ह्या स्पर्धेक बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो. मायकल लोबो मुखेल सोयरो आशिल्लो.
हो सोलर कुकिंग कॉम्पिटिशन जे आयज हांगा आयोजन केलां तें आमचो टिचर लोटलीकर हाच्या आनी विलेज पंचायत आनी इतर सेल्फ हेल्प बायलांचे ग्रूप आहा तेंच्या मदतीन हो आयचो सोलर कुकिंग कॉम्पिटिशन आयोजन केल्लो आसा. ह्या आयोजनात जायत्याच बायलांनी भाग घेतला आनी ते तुमकां हांगा डिशीस दिसतात.
It's an alternate to fuel. It's an alternate to electricity and gas. It's alternate cooking. So you prepare your dish and then put it in as if you are baking it or something like that. You want to cook it, you just put it in a case of solar energy and you put it in the hot sun and you can go to work or go to Mapsa market and come back by the time your dish is ready.
गोवा फॉर गिविंगान 13 ते 30 मे मेरेन पणजेन टेस्ट ऑफ गोवा फेस्टिवल आयोजित केला. 30 हॉटेलांनी हातून वांटो घेतला.
It's an honor and a pleasure to have Taste of Goa among our restaurants, allowing guests, tourists, visitors from outside and guests from within our state to come and see what's happening. Now, it's a very interesting fact which all of us had put together. Basically, our homegrown and our home produced what we have to showcase. See, Western world, we've been showcasing different types of vegetables, we've been showcasing different types of products which we import. When we grow, when we can yield and grow stuff which is from our mother earth, from our motherland. But I'm very excited about the whole thought put together and what we can, as an entrepreneur, as a chef, as a creative entity, what I can bring across the table to fellow Goans and to the world.
नंदनवन फार्म हाऊसात सिताडे सेलिब्रेट जालो.
I've seen a lot of development, a lot of changes, and it's looking very inviting for guests. And there's a lot of scope for improvement and bigger numbers to come. I take this opportunity to wish them all the very best and all success.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.